Fortunately for us, it didn't rain this afternoon. The trip you planned would have been ruined otherwise. I bought an extra one at the supermarket. It's brand new, and I haven't used it yet. Try your hair. Yes, Dr. Joel. Tomorrow's consultation has been moved to an earlier date? Understood. Yes, we are on our way back. Don't worry. Did I say we? It's nothing. I'll be there in time. That works. Goodbye. I told you to try yourself off, yet all you did was laugh and distract me. Come closer. Let me help you. Don't forget to wipe the water off your neck. You wouldn't want to catch a cold. Stop squirming. Are you still not used to this? You should start getting used to it from now on. Cover yourself with my coat. Don't take it off until you feel warm enough. Are you comfortable with this temperature? Good. Make sure you're buckled in. It's a traffic jam.
There are multiple traffic jams ahead due to torrential rain. Please be patient and drive safely.
I suppose we have to wait. We've been out the whole day. Are you tired? Take a nap. Recline your seat first. The button is to your right. Can't find it? It's here. This is for adjusting the headrest. Lean back. I'll do it for you. Do you feel comfortable? A little higher then. Done. Keep the coat on. I'll turn down the thermostat. I'm not cold. I'll play something soothing to help you sleep. I wouldn't say I'm a big fan of it. I play this soundtrack when I need to catch up on sleep in the car. It works well. still can't fall asleep. Shall I hold your hand? Once the car moves, I'll have to let go. It's all right. Hold on to it for now. Are you still awake? You're sleepy, but can't fall asleep. You can talk then. You said talking to me helps you fall asleep, did you not? Indeed, there have been times when I couldn't fall asleep. What was on my mind when I lost sleep, you ask? I thought about how the snowmen we built on the windowsill might melt. I got up to move them into the freezer. I also thought about how I hadn't finished the dessert you bought me, and how it wasn't going to taste as good the next day. Then I started to wonder whether you remembered to close the window before you slept. The weather forecast said it was going to rain that night. I thought about the dangerous mission you were on that day. I hoped I wouldn't see you at the hospital the day after. That's all. Sleep tight. I lied. I never planned to let go of your hand. Good night. We'll be home when you wake up. However, if you don't want to go home, I'll keep driving to wherever the road takes us. That's all. Sleep tight.
Stop it! I have never in my life juggled them balls like this. When my mother said that this is because she loves me. I was fucking ass. We were all fucking ass. How dare you learn something from this? When you go to party, you lay there and you juggle them balls for yourself. Because nobody's gonna juggle them balls for you. You rolling your ass and you act like this because you've heard it all before. You've heard it all before. You don't know where the hell I come. You have no idea what I've been through. But I'm not a bitch. I grow from it and I'll come. Slap that dick till it come for yourself.